A Central Iowa police chief says he is concerned about what could come of a teenager involved in a sex abuse case if the case doesn't go to trial. The teenager is named as the defendant in court documents. KCCI's Kayla James tells us why the Woodward police chief says he anticipates the county attorney will dismiss the charges.
It is eating me alive.
Woodward Police Chief Jim Graham says he wants the Boone County attorney to continue pursuing charges in a sex abuse case. The allegations involve a 13-year-old victim and two offenders, age 15 and 16. Graham says the case stems from Woodward Academy's problematic sexualized behaviors treatment program back in November. Woodward Academy is on the Woodward Resource Center's grounds.
They do the best they can with the staff they have, and you just can't watch every person every second of the day.
Court documents show back in November, a 16-year-old made a, quote, arrangement to engage in a sex act with a 13-year-old. In Iowa, people aged 13 or younger cannot consent to sexual activity. Those documents also show the 16-year-old arranged for a sex act to occur as a surprise to the victim by a 15-year-old.
15-year-old followed the 13-year-old into a bathroom where they engaged in the sex act. The 15-year-old then left, the 16-year-old went in, engaged the 13-year-old in a sex act.
Graham says the 13-year-old came forward first. Then came the 15-year-old, who Graham says is being charged in juvenile court. The 16-year-old, Graham says, denied it.
The 16-year-old had been shipped back to Texas,
where he's from. Graham's investigation led to his request for a warrant for the 16-year-old's arrest. He says his officers went down to Texas 2 weeks ago, detained the 16-year-old, and returned to Iowa, where the teen is being charged as an adult. But then
Boone County attorney asked me to forward him the report again, so I sent him the exact same report, and he then told me that he wasn't going to prosecute.
Boone County Attorney Matthew Spears says he can't comment on the particulars because trial information has yet to be filed. But he says he did speak with Chief Graham before and after Graham filed a criminal complaint, and says Graham elected to file charges despite Spears' concern that it would be difficult for a jury to return a guilty verdict.
Spears shared a statement with KCCI saying, in part, this is a crime due to the ages of the juveniles and there is no allegation of force used in the sex act. Spears also wrote before he files the formal charge, he must weigh different factors. Those include insufficiency of admissible evidence to support the charge, undue hardship caused to the accused or victim, and any other mitigating circumstances. Spears also says Graham's, quote, standard to charge is one of probable cause, and it is a lesser standard that I must apply now.
This burns a hole in my stomach.
Graham says he worries about what the future could hold.
I charged him as an adult. The consequences wouldn't be so light in this if we would follow through with it.
In Boone County, Kayla James, KCCI 8 News, Iowa's news leader.